teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine. So first tell me how many students yesterday attend my class? I took the math class. I will take the Azra. You attend
Today, new students coming here.
Pushpa, right?
Yes.
I can see the Pushpa's face. Very good. Welcome to class, Pushpa. And Mahmood also, because especially Mahmood not attending the morning class, but today I can see the Mahmood also. Very good. So Pushpa, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, very good. So shall I start my class?
Yes. Yes.
So today which subject I will teach you?
Science.
Science. Pushpa, take your science book. Today I will teach the science. Last day I started this lesson, the sun, moon and the stars, right? Only I explain you only the sun, right? I only started the sun. I taught you the last day. So this lesson name is, all of you be quiet. Listen to me first. You are good students. Yesterday I told you, na. I'm very happy because my students know the math. They are very disciplined. So last day, the sun, moon, and stars. This lesson, I taught you only the about the sun. Now others two things still not we start. That is the moon and stars. So today first I will explain you the lesson line by line. Then I will give you chance to read. Okay. And then last moment what we are doing always after the class we are asking the questions. The question answer session we are doing the every day. Same thing also we'll do today. Okay. So just wait and all of you take a pencil. Take a pencil.
Teacher, today's date 28. Teacher, page number.
Yes. Today date. So write date.
59.
My dear students. No need
Teacher,
no need right here from the start.
class?
Science.
Teacher, today's class.
Science, Baba, science. Science.
Teacher, science page number
Page number is 58.
61.
My books is 58. Maybe your page number different, and the lesson name is Look at the lesson.
I can out the sun, moon, and the stars.
Yes. So now close your mouth. Now I will explain you what the lesson. Then I will give you chance to read the lesson. After me, you have to read. Okay. So just little time I will explain last day what I taught you. Last day I taught you during the day what we can see in the sky. Now look at the outside and look at the sky. What you can see? I know you can see the big sun. Then you can see the so many plants. Then you can see so many vehicles, cars, and buses moving on the road. Then if near to your house have any sea, then you can see the sea. Then if you have a big window, a big balconies, then you can see so many birds. So what is the meaning? During time, sun give us light, and this light help us to see each and everything. Got it? That thing I taught you the last day about the sun. But today my topic is the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I want. All of you sing this song because I know all of you know this poem. Yes or no? Okay. I will say 1, 2, 3 start. Then we'll start all together. 1, 2. Silence. 1, 2, 3 start.
Twinkle,
Twinkle,
twinkle, little star,
I wonder what you are. How
diamond in the sky.
Very good. Very good. Now, this is a very nice poem here, rhymes you can see related to the twinkle, twinkle little stars. Okay. So, what time we can see stars in the sky? Daytime and night time. Pushpa?
Yes.
Very good. Stars, what time you can see, Baba, in the sky?
Now.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, look at the book and take a pencil. I will read the lesson. Then after one line, I will explain what is written there and what is the meaning of these lines. The stars. All of you write the date of today here. The stars written, no? The stars. Write here today's date, 28. Write the date.
28/04.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Now, shall I start?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, listen to me. All of you be quiet. I will not make you mute. I know my students are very smart and they know now our time to listen to the teacher. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. On a clear night, try to count the number of stars in the sky. What is the meaning? Clear night. Clear night means very clean, no cloud in the sky. Okay. That day, if you try to count the stars in the sky, what will happen? You will have to give up soon. There are too many stars in the sky for anyone to count. If you try to count the stars, it's very difficult. Why? Because too many stars in the sky. You are unable to count the number of stars. Right?
Teacher, we can go near and we can see how many.
Sorry? Again tell me, Mahmoud.
No, we become big. No, I'm going to moon and I can see stars. How many?
Oh no, if you go to the space, if you go to the close, it means space. Okay, if you go there, yes, you can see, but no, that from that place is, if you want to go, it's not easy for you. Normal people cannot go. For that also need to study. Okay, for if
we can see, if it's sun, then we cannot see any stars.
yes, because if you want to go there, if this is your hobby, if you have this kind of wish,
If it's not the stars is stay, but you cannot count.
yes, one by one I will tell you, Mahmoud. So if you want to go and if you want to count the stars, obviously man can do everything. Now these times, if you have like these ideas, like the dream, if you try, you can go. For this, you need some particular study. That I will explain. Okay, first I will read the
If
lesson.
it is sun, then we can see the cloud.
Okay, Rakimo, listen to me. There are too many stars in the sky for anyone to count. Stars are big ball of fire. Before also these lines we learn what time? About the sun. What we know? What is sun? Sun is a big ball of fire. Same thing, star also big ball of fire. Look at the book written there. Stars are big ball of fire. The sun is also a star. Now my question, sun is a star? If I will ask you, tell me, sun is a star. What is the answer? Give me the answer.
No.
No, yes, yes. Mahmoud, star, sun is a star. Look at this line, then you can understand. Look at the book. That's what I'm telling you. About the star, last line. Read the last line. Okay, Mahmoud, you do one thing. You have confusion. Better you will read about the stars. Read this lesson.
Stars?
Yeah, stars. Read.
Try to count the number of stars in the sky.
Very good.
We will have to give up soon.
Yes.
There are too many stars in the sky for
Anyone?
anyone to count.
Any
Stars
no
are big
anyone to
balls.
count. Remember, Mahmood
Anyone
written
to count
yes.
big balls of fire. The sun is also a star.
Okay, now you got your answer.
Yes.
I ask you, sun is a star. You say no, but here what is written here? The sun is also a star. Now clear, everybody got my point? Sun is also a star, right? Okay. Now look at the picture. One small boy and girl, they are brother and sister. You also have same brother sister. They what they can see? They are look up the sky and it is a picture of a night. How can we know? We can see the moon, we can see the stars. The moon stars only we can see during the night time. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Go to the next page. Come to the next page.
Wow, moon. Nice.
Yes.
I'm going to moon.
Azra, turn the page. Yes. Okay, shall I start?
Yes.
So, no, now still star have little 3 lines are there. It is a star closest to the earth. The other stars are very far off. Some stars is little bit near and other star is very far off. Already we know what is the meaning of far off. Far off means means long distance. Whatever close to you, that is near off. What is the very far means very long distance. Same the example of you are here but moon is in the sky. This is called the far off. Okay. That is why we see them as tiny spot in the night. Same thing what time we learn about the sun, same lines are there. Why we can see sun is a tiny? Because of the distance, because of far off. Here also mentioned because star and moon all are in the sky. All things not close to us, that is very far off. That's why if you can see anything from the long distance, suppose your mother is buy one nice small cake for you, okay, and it is you are sitting on a chair and mama is keeping the cake on the table. It's if you want to see the cake, it's looking the big, yes or no?
Yes.
Same cake, if your mother is keeping little far and keeping on the top, same size of cake, not the big cake, that time the cake will see small size. Why? Why? Because of distance. Understood? Anything is too close, it's a looking big. Now in the skin also, see, I can see only small face for everyone. But you are not like a small, no, not such a big boy and girl. I'm also, you can see my face. You cannot see me because of my camera is here, I'm very far. So if we are maintain the distance, that time everything look come to the small. Small means tiny. Understood? What is the meaning of small? Tiny. All of you say tiny.
Tiny.
Very good. So now come to the moon. Okay. Now I will go. I will start the reading of this moon. Okay. Already we learned about the sun. Then we already know about the stars. Now last one about the moon. How many moon in the sky?
1, 2, 3. 1.
Yes.
One moon.
Who is counting 1, 2, 3? Ah, moon. Moon and sun only one. Not 2, 3, 4, 5. Only moon also one. Sun also one. But stars.
So many.
See my backside. I decorate my room. I make some stars. Can you see?
Yes.
I make some paper stars. You can see now. Understood? I make twinkle twinkle little stars. I like to decorate my room. That's why I make like this. So sun and moon is one, but star so many, uncountable. You cannot count. If you try to count 1, 2, 3, 4, then number will go because we cannot count. Now I will explain about the moon. The moon looks like a shining ball. Shining ball means you understood? Shining means brightness and glitters. Okay. So what is the sun? Moon is a shining ball. But before we know, if I ask you what is sun? One sentence, sun is a big ball of fire. What is the stars? Same thing. Star also a big ball of fire. But what is the moon? Moon is a shining ball. What is the moon?
Shining ball.
Moon is a shining ball. Very good. It is smaller than the sun and the earth. Okay. So just you feel there are yesterday in math class I told no two brother 20 and 23 they have a small sister. What is the name of the sister? Then you say 21. Same thing we can apply here. We can apply here for make it easy. There are moon, sun and earth. There are three members. There are three friends. Who is the smallest here in this moon, stars and sun? Can you tell me? Anybody?
Teacher, I not understand. I cannot hear you.
Okay, I will again. Rohan, I think Rohan understood. I say sun, moon, and earth. There are three. Sun. And then first I will repeat my question because Mahmood not understand. Mahmood, I said sun, moon, and stars. They are very good friends. How many friends are there? Three. So in these three friends, who is the smallest one?
Sun.
This answer is here. Yes. It is smaller than the sun and earth. Who said the sun? Moon. Moon is the smallest. Read the second line. No, third line. All of you read the moon third line. Then you can get the answer.
It is the
Rohan, read the lesson. Rohan.
other star.
Read. Rohan.
The moon looks like a shining ball.
All of you listen to the Rohan. Quiet. Yes.
The moon looks like a shining ball. It is smaller than the sun and the earth.
Okay, stop. So what is the written here? Moon is the smaller than sun and the earth. Okay, so smallest here, moon. Understood?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
But it is closer to us than the sun. But moon is smallest, but it is close to us. If we make the like a label 1, 2, 3. First is the moon. Moon close to us, then sun, then stars. Okay. But in size, moon is the smallest. But in distance, moon is the close. Understood?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. But it has no light on its own. Sun have own lights and sun give us light to see everything. And we know twinkle. Huh?
The star also have light.
Yes,
stars.
that one. Just now we repeat the twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Twinkle, twinkle means what? Given lights like this, okay? But moon don't have its own light. But moon give us light also. How? That one we will know. But now this part, what we learn now? Moon don't have its own lights. Okay? Now, listen to me. It shines when the light from the sun fall on it. I will make a picture, then it is easy for you. Just wait, huh? I didn't keep any paper here. Don't make noise. I will bring one paper.
Rohan.
Sorry, huh? I'm very sorry.
Yes.
I
No,
will.
nothing.
No, it's not fair. It's unfair. What time I will take the class, I will not move. And even my students, you also will not move. But by mistakenly today I did. So I'm sorry for that. So what I explain now, I explain what is the line. The moon is here. Okay, this is the moon, right? This is the moon. What we know, moon don't has its own light, but moon give us light. Moon shines. How? Answer is, I will draw for you. You will tell me. Now explain this picture. What I drawn here. Explain the picture. What is this?
The sun gives moonlight.
Sun gives to whom?
Moonlight.
Sun gives light to
Gives
the
to
moon.
moon.
Understood? So
Yes.
moon don't have its own light, but moon shines. Why? Because moon best friend is sun, and always best friend to helps to others. Okay? Same like they are very good friend, best friend. So this friend always help to the whom? Moon. Sun gives light to the moon. That's why I make arrow. Arrow means me what? This arrow, this part is goes to anywhere. That is means it is coming from here and going to this side. Now clear? Moon got light from where? It's clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now tell me, moon got light from where? Tell me the name.
Sun.
Very good. Very
Sun.
good. Excellent. Excellent. Now come to the next line. The moon seems to change its shape all the time. Sun cannot change the shape. See, that's why I make here one moon. This is not a circle. Moon always change the shape. Shape means the body part. Okay. You just look at the book. Here you can see the all different picture about the moon. Rohan, look at the book. You can see the different shapes of the moon. Full moon, half moon, like this you can see. Because of only moon can change always the shapes, but sun cannot. We are not drawing sun, half sun. Did you draw any time? Yes and no? No, always what time we are draw any sun picture, always we are making sun like a circle. Yes and no?
Yes.
Always if I will draw any sun, how we are drawing, I will show you. This is a sun, right? Always circle. Rohan, look at the screen. Always we are drawing sun like this circle, but
Yes.
never we drawn like this half moon. Sorry, half sun. Did you draw like this sun? Did you draw like this sun?
No.
No, because of moon always changing its shapes. That's why in the book you can see like this different shapes of moon. That one I will give you your activity. You will draw all the shapes of the moon. Okay. After the class I will give you activity in your nature study notebook. This page is the lines and one white page is there, no? One side white and one side the lines. Yes and no? Nature study book, science notebook.
Yes.
Anisha, my dear, you have any doubts? Your face is telling you have some doubts. I said, in your nature study notebook, if you open your nature study notebook, you can see one page have the lines, other page is of white. This white page, the moon, sun, lesson already started, I am given notes. So white page you have to draw this one, the different shapes of the moon. From the book, you will copy from the book and draw in your notebook. Everybody got my point?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So what
It's
I
a page number, nature study.
page number means where you are starting to write the moon, sun and start this lesson. That place only. Already I gave you words to learn, then I gave you fill in the blanks. Today I gave you the true and false. Only that place. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, now little time we have because already my Zoom class is already showing me and the time is almost completed. So I want to complete my lesson. Sometimes we can see the full moons. Okay, full moons. Now Eid is coming, no? Eid, your big
Yes.
festival. Your big festival's name is Eid, right? That time, did you see the sky? Tell me. Hello. Can you hear me, my dears?
Yes.
So
Yes.
then give me the answer. How can you know the evening? Because of what? Moon is coming, the big full moon. Full moon, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That is written here. At other times we can only see the part of it. Okay. All times we cannot see the full moon. Particular time we can see the full moon, but others time we can see the little part of the moon. That picture already in the book. Okay. Now our lesson is almost completed. Only 3 lines remains. That is the here. I will read these 3 lines. Okay. What you can see in the picture, dear? What is this? Can you tell me the names? Very good. Rocket. It's a rocket. Very good. So, where you can see the rocket? Rohan?
In the sky.
Rakimun?
Yes,
What
teacher.
you are doing, Baba? You are doing something. What you are doing?
My rubber.
Okay, tell me what is the name of this picture? Rakimun will tell me. What is the name of this picture?
Rocket.
Rocket. Where you can see?
In the moon.
In the moon. No, it's going to the moon. Okay, not moon, going to the space. Space means up. So always rocket is not going down, always going to the up. Okay, very good. Now now listen to the look at the book, the 3 lines. Some people have been to the moon in rockets. Now before Mahmoud tell me, he wants to go he wants to touch the stars. Okay, Mahmoud, if you want to go and touch the stars, so how you will go? You cannot go through bus, you cannot go by car. How you can go? You have need the transport, and the transport name is rocket. Understood?
Yes.
If you want to go there, no others option. Use the rocket. And what time you will go? Please take me also. I also want to touch.
Okay.
Better we all will go together. First we will learn this lesson carefully. First we will take so many knowledge about the moon, stars and all the things. Then we'll go. Okay. These people wore special suit to go to the moon. If you want to go the moon, ordinary dress you cannot use. Ordinary dress you cannot use. For
Teacher,
that
we using ordinary dress, then we not getting accident.
no, that is not because our dress including the oxygen. Okay, because up don't have any oxygen. How can we take the breath?
Oxygen max.
So many things need. If you will go in space, we cannot take the ordinary food. Okay, there all things is floating. That you after my class, tell your mother, your father, show you some space. I will send you one video. What type of dress and what is the life? Okay.
Teacher, I see the dress.
Okay. I will
Teacher, in
show
the
you.
space we cannot breathe. Teacher, I see this dress
Because
also.
that place don't have the oxygen. That's why need the oxygen cylinder, and it will connect it with our mouth and nose. Okay. Very good. Perhaps you can also go to the moon someday. Mahmoud told now he wants to go, so it is not impossible. Everything is possible if you want, if you try, if you learn, and if you particular study you will do for that. Everything is possible in the world. Nothing impossible for you, nothing impossible for me also. Man can do everything, but need the knowledge about that. Understood?
Yes.
So today I completed my full lesson explanation. Okay, already we started the writing parts also. So now your job is, your homework is, this lesson you will read by heart 5 times and then draw the picture in your nature study notebook. Which picture? Different shapes of the moon. Understood?
Okay.
Understood? Everybody understood?
Yes.
You have any doubts?
No.
Okay, now we'll start our question answer session. In between, if my Zoom class will close, don't feel bad because time is mentioned here. That is not my hand. So start the question answer lesson. What is sun? Anisha, tell me what is sun? Anisha, fast, what is sun?
Teacher, I can. Teacher, I can.
Okay.
Teacher, I can.
Talha, what is sun?
Teacher, I can. No. Big ball of fire.
Very good. Mahir, what is moon?
The moon is shining ball.
Very good. Now, Kazi, Kazi, can you hear me? Okay, Kazi, tell me, moon have its own lights? Yes and no?
No.
Very good.
No.
Okay, now tell me the Mahmud. Moon
Yes.
don't have its own lights. So who gives lights to moon?
Sun.
Very good, son. Fuad. How many stars in the sky? How many stars in the sky? Fuad, tell me.
6.
How many stars in the sky? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. We don't know how many are there.
Uncountable. Teacher, I can tell.
Uncountable. Yes.
Teacher, I can tell. Counting is very hard.
Okay.
I can tell. Too many of them.
Yes, many of them. Ibrahim is not there.
100, 103, 104.
Najmul.
$2,000. And then 122.
Mama, listen to me.
2,000. Million.
Najmul, my question for you, Najmul. Najmul will tell me, if you want to go to the moon, what kind of dress you need? You can put the jeans and t-shirt?
No.
Very good. No. Then Azra, my dear Azra.
You need a special dress.
Yes, why you tell me, my dear? I want to ask this question to Azra. You already said, don't tell, please, my dear. Now, my next question for the Azra, because Azra is very playing mood. Azra is making hair like this, Azra. I can see, Baba. Sabkar, tell me, is it true or false?
True and false.
Sun is a star. What is the answer? Yes or no? Give me just one
Yes.
word. No. No? You say no or yes?
Yes.
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 Yes. Very good. Sun is a star. My time is over, so I want to continue my class, but time is over. But I think all are understood very well. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, I gave you homework. What I gave you? I gave you homework to read the lesson 5 times and draw the picture, different shapes of the moon. Goodbye and take care.
Goodbye. Bye. Good day.
Pushpo, every day attend the class, my dear. Pushpo, Mahmood, every day attend the class. Because if you attend the class, I feel my all students in front of me. I am full day waiting to see your face. Understood?
Teacher, one question.